Hi, I'm Dr. Christina, the Picky PT, and I'm going to share the secret with you of how to reduce back pain with overhead presses. So, did you ever notice in the mirror at the gym when you're doing overhead presses that you might stick your chest out as you lift overhead or stick your butt back? This is decreased use of your core, and it could also be hypermobility in your spine. How do you combat this? Because when you do arch your back like this, you're compressing your spine back here, making not only the space between your bones shorter, but you're also making these muscles tighter. So in order to combat this, you need to be engaging your core more. We've talked about how important posterior pelvic tilts are in previous videos, but now we're going to do it in standing, not just laying down or sitting. So in a standing position, you want to imagine before you lift overhead that you're pulling your pubic bone up towards your belly button and engaging your lowermost abdominals, all right? You then want to make sure to also engage your upper abdominals by locking your rib cage down rather than sticking it out as you tuck in your lower abdominals. So we're gonna go lower abdominals, upper abdominals, keeping all that in line and raising overhead. If you feel like you're not getting as much lengthening in your spine with these two cues, the last thing you can do is also use your hamstrings to help pull your pelvis down as well. So to do that, you're going to engage those lower abdominals, upper abdominals, and then think about your sit bones and how they're pointing kind of in this direction right now, and you want them to point towards your heels. So you're gonna tuck those sit bones down just ever so slightly more, and notice how that gets you a little bit more length in your back. As you raise overhead, you cannot let go of these muscles that are engaged, because that will lead to the back arching again and will lead to back pain. Try these out, and if you feel like these 3 cues are not helping you reduce your back pain while you're doing your overhead presses, then call a neuromuscular expert, a physical therapist like me, Dr. Christina, the Picky PT, and we'd love to give you a personalized program starting you at maybe more basic levels to learn how to engage with these muscles that you haven't talked to in the past, and then apply it to exercises like overhead presses and make sure you don't ever have back pain with your overhead presses again. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you can continue to learn more about your body, how it moves most efficiently, and how to prevent injury doing activities like overhead presses.